How to filter your images and videos in KineMaster. So if you want your videos and photos to look more appealing, it is best to go ahead and add filters on them. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on the timeline. And once you have tapped on the timeline, go ahead and scroll down until you see this option called filter. If you tap on it, now you'll be able to see quite a number of filters that you can add on your photo or on your video. So go through all of them and try to apply and see the effect that you want to add if it is available. So if you're not okay with any of it, you can just unselect it. You can tap on none and it will remove. So find the one that you need and then apply on your video. So I'd like to apply this. I'll go ahead and leave it at that and then just go back. And as you can see, my video looks appealing. So that's how you add filters on your photos or on your videos in KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.